What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy JOMANRUNTZ. You feel me? Now it's your boy JOMAN in here. You feel me? Today I have a smooth video for y'all boys. A video that's should help y'all boys. Hopefully help y'all boys. Just some guidance of YouTube. You feel me? My name is JOMAN. Today I'm be showing you guys how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. My background, I'm currently at 5.5 subscribers. What that means is I at least know how to get to 1K subscribers. At least. But yeah, though, y'all boy, you feel me? This gonna be a smooth, interactive video. Y'all boys, I'm here to teach y'all. Y'all boys here to teach me. If you got any tips, drop it in the comments. If you think I passed over anything or mine is too little, just let me know. But yeah, boom. Step number 1. Actually, step 0.5. Make that channel. Like, don't stop procrastinating. Stop thinking about it. Just at least make it. You feel me? Make it. If you ain't gonna drop nothing, at least make it. You feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you make it. Boom. But yes, step number 1, real step number 1, biggest step, consistency. You have to be consistent. You cannot drop 1 video. You cannot drop 2 videos. You cannot drop 10 videos and just go away thinking, oh, this and that will do. No, you have to be consistent, bro. Every day, try to drop. Every day, if you're not going to drop, record. Every day, learn something, bro. Consistency is key, bro. When it comes to your first 1K, storage got full, but we back. When it comes to your first 1K subscribers, usually you'll hear quality over quantity. No, when you're grinding, bro, of course, make good content, do your best, but you need quantity, bro. Bust them out, push it out. You can drop 1 video, you can make your best video, but it take you a week. Now you're only doing 4 videos a month compared to, making your best videos, do a little dibble dabbling, do a little vlog with it. Okay, quick vlog, throw the camera up. Now on top of your best video, you got a vlog for that week. That 4 turns to 8 drops a month, bro. You have to be consistent, bro. Use everything. Use different platforms, bro. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, everything, Facebook, everything, bro. Drop your content. Get yourself out there and be consistent with it. Send your post to everyone that you follow, you're following. Send your post out, bro, and be consistent with it, bro. A lot of people, a lot of YouTubers, their content might be terrible. Their content might be horrible, bro. But guess what? Since they're so consistent, you see them dropping 1, 2, 3 times a day, 5, 6, 7 times a week, all because people see that. Sorry about this space, but when you're grinding and people see that, like, it'll make them tap in and subscribe for you just because you have that work ethic and you're pushing out content, bro. They see you doing what you need to do. So step number 1 is consistency, bro. Consistency is key. Coming to 1K. I don't care about quality over quantity. It's quantity over quality. Who the hell is that? What the hell? But yeah, quantity over quality. I'm telling you every trip. Step number 2, do not care. Do not give a nothing, bro. Push everything out. There's gonna be people tell you can't do it. Gonna be people tell you, oh, do this, do that. Don't care, bro. Push out your content. Do what you want to do and follow your dreams, bro. Go get it, bro. It's a lot of times I have my mother diss me, friends diss me, teacher diss me. Guess what? That's not stopping me from doing nothing. You know what I did? Kept dropping, kept going. Because if I stopped, I would not be where I'm at today. And I'm not even nowhere yet, bro. And guess what? You could be the next one. We're the next one up, bro. So you have to keep going. You can't care what nobody says, bro. Yes, take advice. Take advice from bigger YouTubers, smaller YouTubers. Take it in. Listen to people. But guess what? Don't let what they say determine what you do. You just take it in your brain. Do I want to do this? Is this really going to help me? And if you think it is, guess what? Try it. If you don't think it is, don't try it. But at the end of the day, don't care, bro. Don't care about nothing. Don't care about, bruh. I don't care if you're on an iPhone 6. Drop that video. I don't care if you're on an Xbox. Start that stream, bro. It does not matter, bro. Don't care. You don't have to have the top of the line stuff to push out content, bro. Start, get it, and go, bro. Grind, stay on your grind, gang. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. Also, it's going to be a lot of ups and downs, bro. Don't look at your subs. Don't look at your views, bro. Don't look at your likes, bro. Of course, watch it go up, etc. You might drop 100 times and only gain 5 subscribers. 1 subscriber. Guess what? Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. You know what Mr. Beast said that really made me lock in? He said, bro, if you cannot drop 100 videos consistently, you don't talk to him. Don't do it. Don't ask him nothing, because that's the first step, bro. Drop it. Drop it. He don't care, gang. Drop. This man was calling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on live stream. You think he cared? No, bro. You think it's people tell him, oh, if you count to 1 million on live or whatever, oh, you're gonna make this? They gonna be like, oh, they gonna look at him dumb. Guess what? He didn't care and he kept doing it, bro. A lot of people diss me. Guess what? I did not care and I kept grinding, gang. Step number 3, bro. Have fun with it, man. I only love doing this. This is my passion. But guess what? I have fun with it, bro. That's the only reason. I'm not waking up just recording BS, just doing this, etc. Anytime I record, bro, I'm having fun. I have a smile on my face, bro. I'm telling you, bro, and it feels good. Even right now, me putting you down, it's like I'm talking to my son. Let's get right. Let's do it. Sons and daughters, let's do it, yo. RGOE. I'm telling you, bro. But yeah, bro, have fun with it, man. Hit up your friends. Hit up. It's going to be a lot of people you can't hit up, bro. But guess what? You can still have fun, bro. Go on stream, dance. Dance, bro. Dance. I can't dance for real. I'm still getting sturdy, bro. Because what? It's fun, bro. It's fun. Let's go. Let's go. You feel me? Have fun with everything you're doing, bro. Like, that's the only way you're going to make a good living out of this, bro. If you want to make a living, you have to have fun, bro. You can't be doing it out of sadness, sorrow. No, because guess what? Your content is going to reflect that same sorrow. Everything, bro. It's going to reflect, bro. That was really my main 3 steps, but now I'm pushing out more tips. 4, investments, bro. Take those investments, bro. I went broke buying my first camera, gang. I remember that, bro. What else I went broke for? I went broke getting my first spot. I went broke doing a lot of shit, bro. And I knew everything I want to do, it always revolved around content, bro. Investments, bro. I'm about to sell this phone, my other phone, sell them, put some money up, get another phone. Why? Investment, up my quality, bro. All these drops since New Year's, everything been off of a phone. Off of a phone, not even a camera. Why? Because I could bust down. If I want faster speed, faster editing, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get that new phone. You feel me? Boom. Invest. If you have money to hire clippers, editors, do anything you can, bro. $5 here, $10 there, $100 a week, $100 in 2 weeks. You feel me? Because why? That's going to push your content out. That is an investment that's going to push you out and get you right. It's just like running ads, bro. If you have something you want to sell, how you going to get it out? You have to invest in ads. Pop up. I'm scrolling down. Ooh, who lip gloss this in? They Glamour Girl lip gloss? I might just try it. I might just have my friend try it, you feel me? But yes, bro, invest in yourself, invest in everything. Just have fun, bro. Like, this is just amazing. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it, bro. Just do what you need to do, man. Go get it, bro. All right, I guess I'm just gonna get into some tips, bro. What tips can I give you from JOMANRUNTZ? Yo, it's really just grind, bro. Don't care, bro. Just do it. I will say, try to collab, bro. Push yourself out in bigger places, bro. You see a little event, okay, come out. You see people, they lollygagging, whatever, chase it. Take that camera out, record them, you feel me? Do what you do. Don't ever be scared. Oh, well, I'm about to put that as another tip. Don't be scared, bro. Do not be scared. It don't even matter if you're in a courtroom, bro. If you know that courtroom recording is going to get you to 1 million, whip that camera out and don't be scared. I'm telling you, bro. Boom. Scary money makes no money. Being scary with this YouTube stuff, it's not. Nah, you go crazy. I can't lie. But still, if you want to get out, get right, bro. Don't record. Don't have the camera down here. Have the camera up here, bro. Don't matter if you're in the store, bro, and folks looking. Guess what? They're looking. Subscribe to my YouTube while you looking. You feel me? Subscribe to my Twitch while you looking at me. Don't be scared with this, bro. Have your fun. Get comfortable, bro. Because you're him. You're her. You could do this. We're going to do this. This is just some tips that I have for y'all. It's JOMANRUNTZ. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it. It's 2026.